CSS provides several properties that allows you to define various text styles such as color, alignment, spacing, decoration, transformation, etc. very easily and effectively. Let's see how to set these text properties for an element in more details. And in this topic, we will cover text color, alignment, decoration, transformation, spacing, and shadow. So let's start. This is our code editor, and I have written the heading here in the body, and I have taken the class text, and in the style I'll write CSS here in the internal CSS, and this text looks like this. So now I will apply all that formatting that I have to teach in this tutorial. So first of all, I will teach you how to change the color of any text. So in the style I'll write here .test. This is a class, and there are three properties to change the color of any text. So first of all, very simple is color, like I can write here blue. Okay, save and refresh. As you can see, here's text color is changed, and other option is to change the color is hex value, like hash ff 4 times 0. So save and refresh. As you can see, now color has been changed to red. So this is also a trick to change the color. And one other option is to change the color is RGB value, like we have to color in RGB, like 255 0. Save, refresh. Now color is like yellow. So these are three options to change the color of any text. Now I will teach you how to align the text. So I will remove the color here, and as you can see, now it's the default color. Now I will write here. First of all, I will set the width of this text so that you could see that how to change the alignment here. So width 1100 pixels. Refresh. So now you can easily see that how change is going on. So first of all, I will write here text align center. Text align center. Refresh. As you can see, text is centered. Other thing is text align left. This is default. Text align left. From left it is aligned good. So, and other is text align right. Save and refresh. As you can see, now its alignment is from right. So these are the tips, and most popular alignment is justified. Like if I write here text align justify, save, and when I will refresh here, you can see it's aligned from both sides and looks too good. So mainly text align justify is very important in website designing. Now I will teach you text decoration. To decorate the text, what is the text decoration? Text decoration is if you are seeing that any link of any page, so defaultly it will give you underline. So remove that underline. We have to use the text decoration properties none, so that we could remove that underline. So first of all, I will teach you how to do that. Anchor tab. Okay, so if I save it and refresh here. So as you can see, google.com is written here and it's in underline. So to remove this underline, I have to write here text decoration none. So in the anchor tab, I will write here text decoration none. Save and refresh. Now its underline is gone. So text decoration none is used to remove the underline of any text. If I want underline or overline in any sentence or paragraph or heading, I will do the underline in this paragraph. So text decoration underline, save and refresh. As you can see, now it's all text is underlined. If I will write here overline, then it will look like this. There is a line over this text, and if I will write here text decoration is line through, save, refresh. Now it's through the text. So these are the text decoration. Next is text transformation. In the text transformation, if I want to make the uppercase or lowercase, then I will use the text
transformation like text transformation uppercase, save and refresh. As you can see, now it is uppercase. So text transformation uppercase is used to make the uppercase of any text.
And lowercase is to make it lowercase. If you will write here the capitalize, then it will look like this. So the first letter of every word is capital. So this property is used to do that. Now I will show you how to give space to the sentence or any text. So to do that, I will use the letter spacing. So letter spacing is also the important part of any web designing. So if I write here letter space 3 pixels, first of all I will show you that text is looks like this, and if I will write here letter spacing is 3 pixels, then it will look like this. So it will give you extra space in the letter. And if I'll write here -3, then see what happens. Now it looks like this. So letter spacing is used to give the space in the text. So it's also the very simple tutorial. So last is text shadow. To give the shadow on this text, I will write here text shadow. First of all, I will remove the text spacing. Okay, so I will write here text shadow 3 pixels, 2 pixels, 5 pixels, and its color will be red. So if I will save here and refresh here, as you can see, the text shadow color is red and its opacity is 5 pixels. I will write here 8, then you can see it's little bit darker. So this effect is also good, and you can use when you design a page of any website. So this is the very simple tutorial, and it's also very important that every people should know that how to create these effects on the text.